Open the auraSMART app by clicking on the icon. You can connect via a Wi-Fi direct connection or via your home internet and router. The process is very similar for either, with a different setting on the Aura T display. If you haven't already registered an account for the home router internet connection, you'll need to register by inputting your email address and creating a password and accepting the terms and conditions. You'll receive an email with an activate link which you need to process before you can log into your account. Once complete, input your details and log in. You can then add a device on the device list page. Clicking add and scanning the QR code on the product or inputting the details manually. The unit then shows as online. Click on the unit. You then have the home run screen and can adjust the fan speeds. On the top right menu, you can input fan commissioning, which requires a PIN code. By clicking edit, you can then change the fan speeds by scrolling the bar or by small increments of plus and minus for each of the 4 speed settings and the supply and extract fan. When complete, click Save. The screen is a live screen and the fan speeds will change as you're adjusting the figures on the screen. Summer bypass settings can also be adjusted, and the summer boost disable function is also a slide switch on or off. You need to confirm saving the settings. The boost setting or overrun timer for the kitchen and wet room settings are similarly adjusted via the slider switch and then saved to continue. Again with RH threshold for the relative humidity set point. It's also possible to amend the switch settings from the main controller PCB. This also requires the PIN code. And the physical inputs are shown as switch 1, switch 2, switch 3 or the live switch inputs. There's a drop down menu which shows you the options for each of those settings, and this screen is for commissioning of the product only. Once complete, hit save. You are also able to synchronize the time on the product with your telephone by clicking synchronize with phone time. The device information confirms the software on the Wi-Fi module itself. You are able to change your verification code, which is the code which links to the Wi-Fi module, enabling a user who's moved into a new house to lock previous users from their unit. Also, when filter change warnings are shown, you can reset the filter indicator. The scheduler function enables you to input different speeds and times of the day. Scrolling right and left changes the day. There are 8 timer events per day. By clicking on the timer, it drops down and you can select the event. By clicking on the times, you can then adjust the times. And again, the speed enables you to change the speeds on the unit, which will be displayed on the clock face at the bottom of the page. At any of these settings, you can also use boost inhibit to prevent the unit going into boost at certain times of the day. Once complete, you can save. You can also copy from one day that you're on to other days of the week, and multiple copies just by selecting whichever days you want the data to copy to. Going back to the main screen, you have the user information, which is your account details for the Wi-Fi. You can change your account password. You also have Contact Us for the manufacturer, product information, and help, which would guide you through the setup process for the app. It's possible to add multiple units by clicking Add and then adding more into the same app. You can only connect to one unit at a time.